Oh yeah, and there's one more thing before I forget to tell you. Shea butter helps reduce scalp irritation. The fatty acids in shea butter act as an emollient, helping to add and retain moisture to the hair. For our next ingredient, we're gonna follow with Dr. Sebi's recommended Batana butter / oil. This butter is abundant in vitamins and minerals, natural source of vitamin E, zinc, and iron, all crucial for maintaining a healthy hair and scalp. Batana butter is also known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. So beeswax is a new ingredient I decided to try out on my butters, mainly because it's getting hot out and I don't want my butters melting in transit to my customers. Along with that, beeswax is a great barrier against frizz. Gives you great shine, great hold, and is good at locking in moisture. The traces of vitamin A and beeswax makes it ideal for moisturizing hair. While my butters are melting on the stove, I go over and formulate my carrier oil mixture, which are grapeseed oil, castor oil, and appleseed oil. Once the carrier oils are ready and the butters are fully melted, I combine everything together, stir it up, making sure everything is mixed thoroughly, and into the freezer they go for about 30-35 minutes. The beeswax is going to make the solidification process a lot faster. While the butters and oil mixtures sit in the fridge, now all I have to do is mix in my vitamin E, essential, and fragrance oils with the perfect formula that works best to make the butter smell amazing. The essential oils I use in this are just rosemary oil and peppermint oil. The solidification process of the butters have come to an end. Now we take our ingredients over to the stand mixture and whip until the butter starts to double in size. Once that happens, we add our vitamin E, essential, and fragrance mixture and continue to whip on a low setting. While we do that, I like to go in with my arrowroot powder. This will enable the end product to have a more appealing lightweight texture while leaving a non-greasy finish to the skin. You can purchase these products at thelatherspa.com. Be sure to use code JUICE10 at checkout to get 10% off your order. If this is your first time ever purchasing, use one-time code BUTTER25 to get 25% off. Follow me for more product making videos.